In today's video, I will teach you how to create a custom birthday party invitation using PicMonkey. Let's get started. First, you have to make a blank canvas with the standard size of an invitation card. To do this, go to PicMonkey's homepage, click the Edit New Image button, and select Blank Canvas. Here, you can choose from a wide variety of canvas size presets for every social media post and print. The standard size for an invitation card is 4 inches by 6 inches or 4.25 by 6 inches. So scroll down, and under the print sizes category, either select the 4 by 6 or the 4.25 by 6 inches print size. You can also start with a completely customizable template if a blank canvas intimidates you. To do this, go back to PicMonkey's homepage, click the Edit New Image button, and select Templates. This will open up PicMonkey's editor with the Templates tab open. In the Templates panel, you will see thousands of free and customizable templates to choose from. Simply type in the keyword birthday invitation, and thousands of birthday party invitation design templates will pop up. Once you've decided which template to use, you can now customize it. To add images, go to the sidebar and open the Photos and Videos tab. Now, you can either use PicMonkey stock images, or you can upload your own picture by clicking the Add Photos or Videos button. Now select the source of your file and drag it onto your canvas once it's uploaded. You can also use graphics and text to make a fun birthday invitation that matches your personality. To add graphics, simply go to the sidebar and open the Graphics tab. Here, you can choose from thousands of graphics elements in PicMonkey's graphics library. The graphics are neatly categorized so that you can find specific graphics elements much easier. But if you would like to be more specific, you can simply type in the keyword on the search bar to find the exact graphics element that you're looking for. To customize your graphics, simply select the graphics element that you wish to edit, and a new set of editing tools will appear in the sidebar. Here, you have the option to change the color of the element and even turn it into a gradient. You also have the option to add shadows and outline and fill your graphics element with an image. Now, to add text to your invitation, simply go to the sidebar and open the Text tab. Here, you can either use PicMonkey's text presets to make designing easier for you, or you can add your own text box if you have a specific design in mind. All the tools that you need to customize your text are also on the sidebar. Now, make sure that the text and graphics layers are arranged accordingly, especially if you're using multiple text and graphics layers. Simply go to the Layers panel at the right side of the editor, or click the stack icon at the bottom right side of the editor if the Layers panel is not visible. And here, you can move the layers up and down depending on how visible you would like them to be. Now, just play around with your design until you're satisfied. And once you're done, you can now save it to your computer or share it to your social media. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.